Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I am going to tell how can we assign values to variables by using different forms. Okay, so let me explain one by one. The first is basic form. Okay, so in basic form, basically we'll be using strings. Okay, so let me give an example. String is equal to, just I will write Python. Okay, so now just I will print this string. Okay, if I execute, I got output as Python. Okay, so this is the basic form we'll be using to assign values to variables. Okay, next is tuple. Okay, tuple is nothing but we'll be using parentheses, like to assign the values to variable we'll be using parentheses. Okay, by using this parentheses we'll be assigning the values. Okay, so let me give an example for this also. A comma y, sorry, x comma y is equal to, so as I said, tuple will be using parentheses. Okay, these are known as parentheses, and I will provide values to that. Okay, 50 and 20, some random values. And now if I print x, I'll be getting output as 50. Okay, and if I print y, I'll be getting output as 20. Okay, this is the second form. We'll be assigning values to variable by using tuple. Okay, next is list. So tuple and list both are similar, but in list we'll be using square brackets. Okay, let me explain that also. So this is square bracket. Okay, so now I'll be assigning values to that around 10 comma 20. Okay, now if I print x, I'll be getting 10. Now if I print y, I'll be getting output as 20. Okay, this is about list. And coming to sequence type, basically this sequence type is nothing but we'll be assigning values in a form of sequence. Okay, let me give an example. A comma b comma c. Okay, and for every variable I will be assigning values to this 10 comma 20 comma 30. And if I print now, if I print a comma b comma c, I'll be getting output as 10 20 30. Okay, this is nothing but sequence assignment. Okay, in the form of sequence, like we'll be assigning the values. I will be taking string also. Let me explain by using strings. Okay, so a comma b comma c, just I will provide a string value, just hi. Okay, now if I print a, I'll be getting output as h. Okay, and if I print b, I'll be getting output as a. Okay, this is how the sequence assignment works. Okay, yeah. So next is extended sequence unpacking. Basically what is this extended sequence unpacking is, we can select the portions of sequence here. Okay, so let me give an example for this. You guys can understand very well by examples. P comma q, okay, is equal to hello. Now if I execute, we'll be getting error because I have given one string and two variables. Okay, now what I will do is I will just mention star here. Okay, so now what will be getting the output is this p will store this value and this q star q will store the remaining values. Okay, now let me print this. Now I'll print p. Okay, you guys can see the output is h. And if I print q, I'll be getting the remaining values. Okay, this is how the extended sequence unpacking will be used. Okay, yeah. So the next one is multiple target assignment. Okay, so this is multiple target assignment is nothing but we'll be providing multiple variables, and for that multiple variables we'll be assigning only one value. Okay, that is nothing but multiple target assignment. So let me give an example. A is equal to B is equal to, I will give as 54. Okay, now if I print A, I'll be getting output as 54, and also if I print B, then also I'll be getting answer as 54. This is nothing but multiple target assignment. Okay, hope you understood. Augmented assignment. So what is this augmented assignment is, here we can add the values to the variables. We can add, we can multiply, like we can divide the values. Okay, let me give an example for this. Now let's take A is equal to 10. Okay, now what I will do, just I will add 1 to this. Okay, now if I print, I'll be getting the answer as 11. Okay, and if I want, I can multiply this, I can divide. Okay, see, now I will change this plus to multiplication. Okay, I got 11. Okay, this is how the augmented assignment will be used. Yeah, I hope you guys understood this augmented assignment, multiple target assignment, and sequence, list, and tuples. Like if you still have any doubts, please comment below. I'll be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.